Hi guys, it's GB and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to slick back 4C quality natural hair. Let me show you guys what you're going to need first. So we're going to need a rat tail comb, like in terms of tools, a rat tail comb, a slick back brush, an edge brush, a pick, a detangling brush, and a shoelace, like whichever shoelace you use to tie your hair. If you're not using shoelaces to tie your hair, then this is time for you to get a shoe that you do not care about and just get off the shoelace. I prefer cotton ones over like any other material because they have the best grip. But you have to be careful with the shoelace because you don't want to pull out your hair. And a hair tie. And then these clips are optional. I just use them because if you obviously have thick hair, you're going to be needing to get it out of the way once you're slicking. And then for like stuff you're actually going to need for the slicking, I use conditioner. This is the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. And then this is the Eco Styler in Crystal Styling Gel Max Hold. This is the only one I really use. I don't know if there's better ones. I know people say the one with the red lid, like the argan oil one, is better, or the pink one, or whatever. But honestly, Eco does not really work for me. I only really use it for like when I'm doing a wash and go, because this is like a previous wash and go. That's why my hair looks really defined. Of like, after I washed my hair, I added mousse and I added this gel. I added a bit too much though, because it does flake very easily. But yeah, that's really only what I use the gel for, and then a bit for my slip back, which you guys are gonna see in a sec. Obviously, water. You're gonna need a water spray. These diffusing things are the best. Don't mind there's a bit of brown hair. I did like some treatment thing and I put it in the spray bottle and it's not gotten away since, so it's so annoying. But it's okay. And then you're gonna need like gummy or some type of jam. I know there are alternatives, like some people use red wine, some people use HB Star, or just like any type of like braiding style jam, but I prefer this gummy, this pink one. But make sure you're getting it from the hair shop. Do not get it from Amazon because usually they be selling that. These wax strips, people prefer black ones. I just have white ones because I use them for my wig. I'm gonna use this white one for my hair when I'm wrapping it up. So let's first of all reveal what we're dealing with. We're gonna be trying to be, don't mind that noise guys, that's the dogs outside. We're gonna try and be very quick because I don't really have that much time. But yeah, this is what we're working with right now. And first step we're gonna do is we're gonna spray down my hair. Not too much so it's not like dripping, but just so my hair is like pretty damp. So that should be good. So as you guys can see, like my hair's pretty damp. I have quite a lot of hair and my hair's pretty thick, and I don't know, I guess it's long. It's like shoulder length. Should I just go like this? I don't even mind it actually. It doesn't even look bad. Lol, what the heck? It doesn't even look that bad though, honestly. Okay, not me working it, but let's focus. So yeah, I've sprayed my hair, and as you guys can see, my hair's not dripping wet. All these flicks that you see was literally from using that eco gel. So I probably do not recommend using the eco gel, but I don't have any better alternative. I'm using some conditioner, and I'm really just like putting into my hair just so my hair can be moisturized. I feel like having moisturized hair and more like damp moisturized hair with conditioner, it helps with having like a shiny slick back instead of like a very grayish slick back. Okay, let me take my glasses off. Now I'm gonna be splitting my hair. So from my ear, I'm gonna split my hair just in half. It does not need to be like that neat at all. It doesn't need to be neat at all actually. You just really need to like just half it. So the hair is now in two different parts. Now the back part is what we're going to be using to determine where our puff is going to sit. So if we wanted to stick our hair all the way to the back, I would tie it like this. But I don't really like that look. I probably wouldn't do it this way if I was doing that, but because we're going to be doing like sort of a mid puff, we're going to probably bring it up like this. You can't jump straight into the gel just yet. We're going to use a detangling brush and we're going to use it to smooth our hair up. I can't believe I forgot that. But yeah, because even though I'm not slicking it back there, I do want my hair to be smooth. That's what leads to a really nice slick back. So I'm using that and this brush to sort of like brush it up. Okay. Now we're going to be using some gel. So I'll just grab a bit with my fingers from the gummy and I just put it on like the perimeter of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see like it properly, but I'm just like putting it back. And then we're going to use our rat tail comb. You do not need to like actually comb through the hair. I'll show you guys now. We're just using it to smooth out the gel. But because we've already detangled our hair before, this should not like actually be taking out knots. Like this should just be spreading the gel. You guys should probably already see that there is already a bit of slick, just because my hair is not dirty at all, but like the gel is already doing its thing. And this is enough for me, like this is enough for me for the back. So now I've done that, I'm gonna get this brush like you guys saw, and I'm gonna use that. And as you guys can see, I'm using a technique, like I'm using my hand after that I use the brush. You need to be using your hand a lot when it comes to like slicking. And we're already done with the back, like one layer of gel. My hair's already dirty though, so I do recommend, if it's not looking like not slick, but if it's not looking like as neat as you'd want it to be, like by all means go ahead and do that again. But as you guys can see, this is the back. Yeah, that's the result. Okay, now we're gonna move on with the front of my hair. Now this is a bit where you guys really want to like take your time and make sure this bit is slick, because this is the actual front leg. You kind of care about this side. Damn. Okay, so let me wet my hair again because it's kind of dried up. We're going to use this detangling brush again. I don't think I said what brush this is. This is a Tangle teaser brush, and this is for coily hair. I think it was curly to coily hair. Okay, we're going to use the gum just yet, bro. We're gonna, so we've done the brushing, we've done the sticking, and now I'm gonna like tie my hair back. I can't believe I was actually about to add gel. I think it's because I'm trying to like be quick, like I'm just forgetting stuff. So this is what it would look. Obviously it's not been slicked yet, so patience. Okay, and now I'm gonna get some gel and we're gonna like slick it like in this. And this is why you need your rat tail comb. If I just jumped in straight into my slick brush, like this is actually a very important step, because if I just jump right into this, I'm telling you now, I'm not gonna like, it's not gonna be evenly distributed. So doing this, as you can see, like brushing my hair and pulling it back, this allows for all the gel to spread and for it to just like look smooth and nice. So you're gonna need a combination of the rat tail and a good slick back brush. I don't actually have my favorite slick back brush with me. This is just one I had in the house. It's kind of soft, to be honest. Like it is a bit hard, but it's pretty soft. You want a nice, really hard brush. I'm still able to stick my hair back with this one though, so your hair will not be given that. It will just be given grey, because you're not like actually spraying your hair with water and moisturizing it. If you just go in with dry hair, it's not gonna slick, it's gonna look dry, it's not gonna be as easy as this. Hair prep actually goes into a lot. I detangle my hair first, I spray my hair with water first, I use conditioner first. You can't just jump into the sticking, like no. I think it's good enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out my edges. Now we're gonna take out the hair tie. So I've tied my hair. I'm holding these two bits firmly, and I've like wrapped it around the whole perimeter of my head and the stick back. This is gonna position your hair. Even though we have tied the other bit, this will also contribute to like the position of your bun. And you can't be doing it more than once. Like you can't be like, oh it looks bad, okay let me do it again. You're gonna have to probably re-stick your hair. It will like make it look less slick, so you want your first time to be the best time, so you should go slow and steady. So I'm gonna start off at the back, and as you can see, I'm just pushing my fingers up to slick here, and then the sides again using my fingers to push it up and then tying. Push up, tying, push up, tying, everywhere, all around. You want to hold on to this and push it at the back, and I think this is pretty good. It's not too bad. I'm not too mad at the position. I think it's like tied right up to the hairband. The hairband, tying the back piece also helps as well. And now you want to tie it again and just slick it up. Okay, period. Period. It's already coming together, but we're not done. We ain't done. So I'm gonna get the Eco, just a bit. I'm gonna rub it in my hands and just put it around. I'm gonna use my edge brush and the same gummy. You're gonna get some on the edge brush and you're gonna go around your hair, just using edge brush to clean everything up. Okay, so now this is when I would possibly like go in and pin my hair, pin what like I feel needs to be more flat. Like maybe I would pin this, but I can't really be bothered. Now we're gonna be doing my edges, combing it out. Literally, as you guys can see throughout this whole tutorial, like whenever slicking is involved, my hands are involved. I don't just leave it up to the brush. I don't really know how to explain this bit. You guys are just gonna have to watch. I'm using gummy again. Look at it better. I'm gonna wrap it up now. And then I'm gonna put a scarf on top. Just to find my hair now. I'm not really gonna do much. I'm gonna add conditioner. I'll come back later for the reveal. Okay, hi guys. I'm low-key very quiet. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I finished my hair. But my makeup does not look good today, wow.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Let me show from the back in the mirror. So that's how we slick it real good. That's my tutorial. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Bro, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. But yeah, any questions, like I didn't like say enough or do enough, make sure to just comment it down below and I'll definitely address the questions. But yeah, I can't get over it, like it ain't. I just need to take thumbnail, post this live. But yeah, you guys watching, bye.